Isotherm icon. 5 types are available: lower isotherm, upper isotherm, in-range isotherm, out-of-range isotherm, and disable isotherm. For example, lower isotherm sets a low temperature threshold and color. Click Confirm. Areas below the threshold are replaced with the selected color. Upper isotherm sets a high temperature threshold and color. Areas above the threshold are replaced with the selected color. In-range isotherm defines a temperature range, low or high thresholds, and color. Areas between the high and low threshold are replaced with the selected color. Out-of-range isotherm sets a high/low temperature threshold and color. Highlights areas below low threshold or above high threshold with distinct colors. Click Close Isotherm to turn off the isotherm function. Auto-dimming modes. Click the auto-dimming icon to choose from 3 modes: Blend, Linear, and Image Straight. 3D mode. Click 3D to generate a 3D thermal model. Right-click and drag to adjust the viewing angle. Click Original Angle to restore the default perspective. Click Save to export the 3D view. Click Picture Fusion to enter fusion mode. Select 3 reference points. Click Point 1. Mark the same position in the visible light and infrared images. Click Point 2. Please follow the above steps. Click Point 3 and follow the above steps. Click Next to fuse images. Adjust fusion intensity using the slider on the right. Click back to reposition points, or confirm to save the fused image. Click Linear Thermograph, and there is a tip. Please select the correct analysis object. Only line analysis objects. Select or add a line analysis object, and a temperature distribution graph appears on the right panel. Click Export. Save as PNG image or CSV data table. Click the magnifying glass icon to enlarge the graph. Click the close icon to exit the profile view. Histogram displays temperature distribution across 20 default intervals. Click Settings to adjust the number of intervals or define custom temperature ranges and groups. Shows max, min, and average temperatures for each analysis object.